Good morning, class. Welcome again to VPS e-learning. I am your English teacher Madhulika Nivedi. Class, as we have completed, sorry, class. As we have completed our course book, last chapter was chapter number 8, A Flash of Light. Now we have to start chapter number 6 of reader book. Means here we will find this is a poem, and in the poem there is conversation between grandfather and a child. ठीक है क्लास, तो हम ये 2 दिन में ये फिनिश कर लेंगे. Sorry class. Means there is only one 5 paragraph of the poem and 2 exercise. So I will discuss first. I will read the poem and then I will explain it in detail. Listen it very carefully, class. Chapter number 6, Our Tree Toad. Grandfather say the tree toad that to our yard has come. It's just a little wee toad, no bigger than his thumb, and that his coat's so queer it turn from green to blue. Sorry. Whatever colors near it, why, that's its color too. And then grandfather snickers and say, would you suppose he climbs with little stickers on all his little toes? And don't you wish your toes now were fixed like his? For see, right up the elm he goes now, and stick tight to the tree. But then he says, oh dear me, if all the girls and boys could screech such loud, I fear me there would be a dreadful noise. Evelyn Stein is the name of the writer. Now, what is the poem, class? This conversation is between a child and his grandfather. Between child and his grandfather. Grandfather is saying, grandfather say the tree toad means a toad means frog, a small size frog that can that we can find in between trees and bushes. That to our yard has come. Yard means Agan. Means there was a tree toad on the yard of the boy. It's just a little bit toad, no bigger than his thumb. Means is a very small toad, and the height of the toad was only like his thumb. Means like this thumb, no bigger than the thumb. And that his coat so queer it can turn from green to blue. Means class, look here, small size toad. Yes. And that his coat so queer it means the coat means the upper part of the upper skin of the toad was very stranger and can turn from green to blue. Means it can change color from green color to blue color. Whatever colors near it, why that's its color too. Means the toad was able to means such type of tree toad is able to change their color according to the surface. Means if there is green color, so they can change their color green. If there is blue color, they can change their color, their skin color in blue. If brown, so they can change their color to brown. Means it is very difficult to identify. Means it is very difficult to find to identify the tree top in between the bushes or leaves of the tree. And then grandfather snickers, means smiled in a mocking way and say, would you suppose he climbed with little sticker on all his little toes? Means sticker means स्टिकर में वो जो पंजे होते हैं उनके, किसके, टी टोड के, वो इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि वो स्टिकर की जगह जैसे चिपक जाते हैं. एंड ही क्लास विथ लिटिल स्टिकर on all his little toes, means with the help of these sticker little toes he can climb the tree. And don't you wish your toes now were fixed like his? Means my grandfather is saying, means do you wishing your toes be as fixed as the toes of the toad? For see, right up the elm he goes now, and stick tight to the tree. Means the tree toad is going up to the elm tree and stick tight to the tree. But then he says, oh dear me, if all the girls and boys could scream as loud, I fear me there would be a dreadful noise. Means grandfather is saying the noise of the voice of the tree toad is very loud. कैसी है, बहुत ही तेज है. एंड आपने सुना भी होगा बारिश के टाइम में, है ना, फ्रॉग जब एकदम एक साथ सारे के सारे लाउडली आवाज़ निकालने लगते हैं तो बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है वहाँ पे रहना. सो क्लास, हाँ, तो मीन स्क्रीज में उनका जो साउंड है, लाउड साउंड, द साउंड वाज वेरी लाउड. मीन्स इफ ऑल द गर्ल एंड बॉयज़, if all the girls and boys could scream as loud, means चिल्लाते हैं अगर जैसे लाउडली फ्रॉग चिल्लाता है तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, बहुत ही ड्रेडफुल नॉइज हो जाए. मीन्स द नॉइज विच वी कैन नॉट एबल टू हेयर, मीन्स हम उसको बर्दाश्त ही नहीं कर पाएंगे, इतनी तेज उसकी नॉइज हो जाएगी. Okay class, so this is very small poem class, and poem will not come in your exam, as you know. Only you have to learn the poem that is on your course book. ठीक है, ये रीडर की बुक्स नहीं आएंगी, पोएम नहीं आएंगी. You just have to learn the word meaning and exercise. Okay, that's enough for today class.